Happy Friday Eve, kids. That's what I call Thursday. Today you're going to be using MobyMax to learn new math skills, and you are going to need to get used to using MobyMax because you're going to be required to do it every week. So today you're going on MobyMax and completing the initial placement test, and apparently I can't spell initial, so let's fix that right now. If you've already taken it and it tells you you have to take it again, that's because I made you retake it because I thought you maybe just clicked through it. So take your time because this is going to determine a lot of things like intervention groups and what I'm going to be teaching you. So if you don't want to waste my time or your time, do your best on this. If you've already taken the placement test, then just click on math and do your math pathway. It's going to teach you skills that you need to be working on according to the test that you took. When you're done, please click the exit ticket so I can know how valuable you think it is. Thank you.